Alright, let's see. And I'm gonna give you guys an honest review. Like, I spent money on this. I don't care. Yo, we back. Look at this thing just sitting, just being a piece of shit, but whatever. Welcome back for another video. Today, we are doing the first mod on the 2.0 Accord. So this is probably the best mod you could do for 70 bucks, bro. I'm being cheap. I said I wasn't gonna touch it, but look at me. I'm already touching it. So, I'm gonna show you guys that in a minute. Finally, a video that's not the SI or anything. So, give me 1 second. We got this thing just sitting. God damn. Anyways, so kind of want to make this video just pretty short and simple, straightforward. And right now, I'm gonna show you guys what you need exactly for this, and it's basically just 10mm wrench, some vice grips or whatever you call that, and then that. So here we got the Accord, and I'm gonna show you guys what I got for 70 bucks. The retail, not retail, but the actual cost of this is 150, but I actually got it for 70 bucks. So you gotta get lucky. You just gotta keep looking for stuff and stuff like that, and you'll find deals, man. You'll find deals, especially Facebook Marketplace and stuff. So I got the PRL Stage 1, whatever they call it. I hate that stage shit. Like, it sounds so stupid to me. So yeah, I got the PRL Stage 1 intake, which is just that filter and that little inlet piece. And then I've heard like plenty of different things from these intakes. So basically, like, so there's that one, and then there's the bigger intake, that's like the complete system. But honestly, I think it's the same thing. Probably you get a little bit more noise, but when it comes to performance, it's the same shit. So let me try to figure this out. I've never done one of these, and I'm actually gonna show you guys a trick if you want to hear the blow off of, the intake or whatever you want to call it. If you want to hear a little bit more, I'm gonna show you guys something. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do it because I'm gonna need to find something to plug it up, but I'll show you guys what I'm trying to say. All right, it's been like fucking 20 minutes. This piece of shit right here, you see that? Bro, it's a brand new car. How is that shit already stripped, bro? Like, it was kind of stripped when I started, and then I fucked it up even more. Stupid ass bolts that make a fucking 5-minute job turn into 30 minutes. Like, this is annoying. Anyways, I'm about to take this off right now. Oh, I still gotta, man, I'm using this little fucking vice grip shit, bro. That's the only way I could have taken this shit out. So, whatever. Take that out. I already took this piece out, so you gotta, these two things, so the blue one goes up top, and then the other one goes on the bottom, the yellow one. All right, so let me make sure I leave it right here, just so I know. So I gotta take that off, start putting this on. I gotta put the filter in, whatever, straightforward. This part right here, you wiggle it out, and the rest is easy. It's super easy. Let me show you guys, give me 1 second. But yeah, that shit was annoying. I had to take everything out and try to figure it out, and then I dropped the fucking bolt down there. Sometimes this is why I don't do stuff, bro. I just don't got patience for this shit. I really don't. So I be trying my best, but, and then like these new cars now, I got all these plastics, so it's so fucking hard to find one little bolt down there. It gets stuck. You gotta go down there, and bro, I'm just gonna hope for it to fall out, and that's it. It's gonna be annoying until it falls out, but I'm not gonna sit there and jack up the car. Jack up the car just to fucking get that bolt out. Yeah, fuck that. I'm good. Damn, bro, can you fucking come out already, you piece of shit? Kinda annoying. I hate when bolts strip, bro. Like, it's, you gotta sit here and get creative and shit. It's cool until it's not cool. I'm over here excited as hell. Get some little noise out this car. But no, something always wants to be a bitch. Bitch, come on. This fucking bitch, bro. Fuck you. Alright, so this piece is up. Damn, bro, I'm starting to get like allergies and shit. So this piece gets out, you put the PRL one, start putting it in, same replacements, literally plug and play, so it's not the hardest thing in the world to do. It's not the hardest thing to do at all, actually. It's just when you have like annoying ass, bullshit ass bolts that are cheap, shit like that happens, you know what I mean? So put this up here real quick. So yeah, look, filter, this thing is brand new. This car is literally like brand new, so everything's new. And then you see that little hole down there? Actually, I'm gonna try to find something to plug it up right now. This thing is brand new, bro. I'm gonna save this. I'm gonna need that. Something to plug this little hole up. If you plug that up, this is like useless. It's just to like cancel all these new cars. It just cancels out all the like intake noise and stuff. Try to make it as quiet as possible. So if you plug that up, you'll be good. You hear a whole bunch of turbo noises and intake, whatever you want to call it. Okay, so I'm gonna put this back in here. Put that back in there, and then yeah, that's kind of what I'm scared of. This little silicone just messed up a tiny bit, but that should be fine. This right here, put this back in here. Blue one, now this one should be easier. That's why that's it. And it's like stuff like this, especially like, I never fucked with a turbo car like that. Even though this factory is, this is really simple. I'm just overthinking shit. I'm making it harder than it seems. I'm just like that though, I just overthink stuff. Put this in there, tighten it up. That's good to go. Everything's all the way in. Alright. This one, literally super straightforward. Tying everything up. This is like the easiest install I had other than that bolt. Other than that bolt just stripping. Other than that, it's super simple. Super straightforward, super simple. Everything's on the way it's supposed to. It's just, these newer cars are just so easy, man. And this little intake stuff, I heard is like 5 to 7 horsepower like difference. Not much. Pretty sure I'm not gonna feel it. But I just want the noise. I'm tired of driving this thing and just not having no noise, no exhaust, no nothing. And also, another thing I found out that you could do that's literally free. If you want a little bit more exhaust noise and stuff like that, you go ahead and literally, there's like 2 bolts on the driver's side muffler, which 80% of the flow comes out of there. So it doesn't really affect much. If you want it to look better and sound better and not bother anybody in the car and like that drone, you need to make like a little pipe like this long just to come out the whole thing. But other than that, like, I'm not gonna do it because it's gonna look stupid, honestly, but you could do that. Little stupid shit you could do like that. What the fuck is that, bitch? Get the fuck off me. Yeah, man, like, super simple setup. I mean, install. You definitely want to be careful when you do this because sometimes certain shit just, I mean, this actually fits pretty good, so you don't gotta worry about that. Hope you guys are enjoying me over here struggling with it. I'm just kidding, guys. This is just easy. Everything should be good. I think everything's on. This is back on. This is, well, this is loose. I need to tighten this. That's on. Yeah, I definitely want to plug that up though, so I'm probably gonna go find a little rubber piece where I could plug that up and have it Just trying to make sure I have everything on here. That's on there solid. That's on there. That's on there. This is on there. That's it. There's no way it was that easy. Yep, so everything's on. Everything's on. This is off. And with the new one, which it brings that. That one's new. This was like smaller, I feel like. And then, yeah, I mean, just good to go. Shouldn't be all these fucking bugs and shit. This is brand new too. Look at this motherfucker. Fuck off. Make sure to go over it again one more time. This is because I'm like that. I don't know. I'm always paranoid and shit when I do stuff, especially myself. Wash my hands and I'll show you guys how it sounds. Well, everything's good. I mean, doesn't show any lights or anything. And it shouldn't be. That shit hot. I'm over here touching it like it's nothing. Yeah, it should be fine. This is clipped back on. This is on. This is on. Ow! Fuck! God damn it! I'm always fucking doing something, bro. Yeah, that should be perfect. I could probably time this up a little bit more. That should be alright. Alright, let's hear it out. Here, I'm gonna put it right here so you guys can hear it. Alright, you guys should be alright right there. Intake box is right here, so you guys will hear it perfect. Yeah, I don't think it was worth doing it. If I'm being honest, it doesn't even sound loud. Kind of figured though. I don't know. I gotta drive it. Let me drive it. All right, let's see. And I'm gonna give you guys an honest review. Like, I spent money on this. I don't care. Like, honestly, like, if it's not worth it, I'm gonna tell you guys. And if it is, I'm not sponsored, bro. I don't give a shit. Even if I was sponsored, I'll be honest. All right, so let's see. Oh, yeah. You can actually hear a little bit more. It's nothing crazy, but you can still hear a little bit more. Definitely louder than stock. But that's without the little thing covered up. So I only imagine how it sounds like if I have the little thing I told you guys, if I had it covered up. I forgot the name. It's like a little funnel thingy. If I had that covered up, it would probably sound way better. I don't know. Let me do a I'm gonna have the windows up this time to see how it sounds. Honestly, it's alright. Like, let me show you guys. This is a Harley next to me, so I don't really, he's being loud, but let me see. I don't know if you guys can hear that. Let me see one more time. I'm just not trying to speed over here. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can hear that.